Welcome back to TYUKiTV. In this episode, we are going to talk about some of the uncommon things Number one would be a blinking red. What is a blinking red? A blinking red is a simple right-of-way rule. If you see a blinking red, it only means that you have to treat it as if it's a traffic sign or a stop sign where you have to stop one time. First in, first out. Again, a blinking red becomes an always stop sign. Each and every one will have to stop one time. You just have to know who came in first, then you go your way. Make sure to make a full stop, traffic check, and then proceed when it's your turn. Number two, if you see your traffic lights totally turned off, it is similar to your blinking red lights. You have to treat it as if it's a stop sign. You have to treat it as if it's an always stop sign. So what is an always stop sign? One stop each, first come, first serve. Make sure you make a full stop, traffic check, and then proceed when clear. For student drivers who are going to take the test, you have to be aware that there are many kinds of blinking reds in different situations. If you see a blinking red in a railroad track, when you're closing in on a railroad track and you see blinking red, it only means that there will be a train coming. Again, if you are a car away from the rail track, then you can go. But if you are more than 10 feet or one car away from the rail track, then there's no other way but to stop. Again, blinking red on a rail track only means a train is coming. What is a blinking red in a business area? If you have a blinking red in a business area, a blinking yellow, and then it becomes solid yellow, and then red, solid red. A blinking red at the business area means it has turned into an always stop sign. What is an always stop sign? Again, first in, first out. Full stop. You have to make sure you know who came in first. You traffic check and then you go your way. Blinking yellow. Every time you see a blinking yellow, it just means that there might be a pedestrian crossing. Sometimes you see a blinking yellow and then there's no pedestrians. Well, most probably they have already crossed, or they pushed the button and they did not cross at all. So you have to make sure that you only stop at the blinking yellow when there is a pedestrian crossing. Without a pedestrian crossing, never stop at the blinking yellow. It's not a stop sign. This concludes our episode for today. For those of you who are taking the test, or for those of you who are about to take the test, congratulations in advance. This is TYUKiTV. Until next time, bye for now.